Welcome to a holiday on beautiful magnetic island. I'm looking for houses in Townsville because it's so hot here. It's actually a lot hotter than we thought it was going to be, which is why I'm wearing a thing on my head. We're going on the bus to Mushroom Bay. I keep calling it Mushroom Bay, Horseshoe Bay, to the market. This place is like on a different time, so you think, oh, the bus is going to go at 10, and you get there at 10 and the bus driver isn't even there. Oh, mate, late. Cue the market montage. We just had a massive fight because I didn't know whether it was too hot to do this walk. We're walking up to the forts. Yeah, when I say massive fight, it was like, what do you want to do? And that was about it. It's really hot. I don't even know if we're going to survive. But, you know, if we don't, then I guess you'll never see this video. We're going on the walk to the base and we're going to be going past a nudist beach, although, fuck's that? So we're on the nudist beach and for modesty's sake we're just doing kind of neck up shots. What a lovely way to spend a Monday. There's my towel hanging in the tree. I've just been for a swim. So I made this model of the bird's nest up here, and then the bird lays its eggs in there. Absolutely love this place. The one thing I will say though is there's not a great deal of vegetarian food here. On the plus side, when you're ordering something, there's only two things to choose from, so it takes away that kind of what should I have, what should I have. The other thing is we're in a seafood restaurant and there's a fish tank in there with a fish swimming around. It's kind of like going to a burger restaurant and having a cow in the middle of the restaurant.